Hi, my awesome friends. Welcome. This is Debbie from Blossom Your Creativity, and today I'm participating in an open collaboration called Mother's Day Garden Tea Party. I don't really have a garden, but I do have green space. Here I'm showing you my grapefruit tree. It's really big. It's a big canopy. The kids come over and they play under, play hide and seek in there. So it's kind of cute for the kids anyways. Thought it would be nice one day to find a little bistro set and tuck up underneath there. But I haven't been able to find one yet. So in the meantime, I can just gaze underneath. But it's nice and cool inside there. And there's so much fruit right now, as you can see. I really love this tree. It's so big. But again, it's really pretty. It's a nice addition to the yard. So we have some other areas that I'll take you to. I just wanted to start here where it was nice and cool because at this time I was filming, it was pretty warm. So I was trying to keep from getting overheated. So I'm going to take you over to the other side now. Oh, I'm still on my grapefruits. Loving that, I guess. And in fact, I'll be using those grapefruits. Oh, here we go. Now these smell wonderful. I just wish we had smell-o-vision because they are just so fragrant right now, and this runs along this whole wall, and I really enjoy having this area. And then now we're over to where I have my table, and we have some miniature roses on this little vine. And here's where I have my table set up for my Mother's Day table garden party, hosted by Daughters of Destiny, which includes styling with Gigi Fashion and Shani on the Spot. Just love that name. And last but not least, Lady Cinnamon. All three of these ladies have awesome channels, so be sure to check them out to see what they did for their Mother's Day table. And be sure to see the rest of the playlist as well. We have so many talented women who participate in these collaborations. Now, let's see what I put together. Okay, I found a little spot in the garden. And I started out with a round table using a yellow tablecloth and started to build my table with those pastel colors. I had a little accent of black and white because that usually goes with anything, and it looks so pretty with the pink. So anyways, I'm going to show you that I used this green plate and then just put this white with plate with trim, gold trim on it. Now the plate doesn't actually match the cup and saucer, but that's okay. It still has the same hues of pink. And then I have my lace mat, I guess, that I put underneath. I really like that. And then the cup and saucer comes with this really pretty spoon. I got the cup and saucer from Anna Lee, and trying to get a closer look. That picture is supposed to be the same picture on the cup. Look at how pretty that detail is on that spoon. So I'm using the Lipton tea today. It's got that bright yellow look. And then as you could see, my flowers on the cups are so pretty. And then they have this cute little bow. I just love that. And the design is all the way around, so no matter where the cup is, you can see it. And then look at the detail in the saucer. It's got the little scalloped edge with the gold trim. Very beautiful. I'm just loving it. So that's the pink one. They're actually both pink cups, but a little bit different. And then here's my napkin. I just used a yellow napkin with a Mackenzie Childs napkin ring, and then I just put in a little pink flower because that black and white check with the pink goes so well together. Now coming over here to my faux Mackenzie Childs little egg flowers. That's so cute. And then I found this. I actually got this from Anna Lee. It's supposed to be a lamp base, but I thought it would be really pretty to just put a simple saucer on top and put my little goodies in there. And these, see, there's the little hole for the lamp. And those little goodies I actually made out of clay. So it's just different colored clay. And you can kind of see, it's supposed to be like a wafer cookie. So I did in different colors, pastel colors anyways. And then the teapot, this is from my epic teapot find. And the flowers in the teapot don't actually match with the plates, but it's okay because it's still in the same color hue of the flowers. So I thought that was pretty neat, and I just love the design of that pot. And then I had it on a riser, and I didn't want my table to be too bland, so I used that riser in the middle of a wreath that I had taken apart, and I just simply added some purple flowers, just stuck them in there just to pick up some colors of the table. So I thought that looks pretty good. And then I have my little sugar cubes. I think you've seen these before in other posts, but I really like to use them with the teas because it gives it some different color variety on the table. And this place setting is the same. The teacup is a little bit different, slightly, but coloring is almost identical. So I just really love that. So we're going to go ahead and have another idea that I want to try. But before that, I just wanted to give a shout out that this table is dedicated to my mom, Grandma Sandy, who we both do Tea Tuesdays together, and this would be a perfect Tea Tuesday to do. Unfortunately, we weren't able to get together, but I just wanted to say, I love you, Mom. Okay, so here's my second idea, and I just simply removed the top plate and added my little cookies, and then I used a real grapefruit for my grapefruit tree, and I cut it in half and put a little cherry in the middle, and it's so pretty. And these grapefruits are so delicious. They're pink grapefruits, and they have such a sweet flavor. So anytime we want to have a nice little breakfast or a little afternoon something, I like to serve the grapefruits because they're so good. And then you always want to use a grapefruit spoon. It's got the serrated edges, so you can get in all those little nooks and crannies and get all those lovely pieces out. So I thought that would be a great addition to the table. Again, the color is so pretty. So I hope you enjoy the addition of the grapefruit. I know it's my mom's favorite, and so sad that she couldn't be with us today, but she had other commitments as well as I did, and we just couldn't get together at the same time. So again, thank you for stopping by and seeing what I put together. And don't forget to go and check out the playlist. Go see the Daughters of Destiny, what they put together. And I hope you have an awesome day, and don't forget to call your mom. and tell her how much you love her and how much she means to you. I know Mother's Day is not until next week, but it's okay to call her anytime to tell her how much you love her. Thank you so much, and you guys have a wonderful afternoon.